Gardening, a fun and rewarding hobby. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video. Today, we are going to explore the topic of gardening, a wonderful hobby that many people enjoy. Whether you have a green thumb or are just starting out, gardening is a fantastic way to connect with nature, relax, and create something beautiful. In this video, we will cover the basic vocabulary related to gardening, discuss popular plants and tools, and provide tips for successful gardening. Let's get started. Before we delve into the world of gardening, let's familiarize ourselves with some important vocabulary words related to this topic. Gardening is the activity of cultivating and tending to plants. A garden is a piece of land used for growing plants, often adorned with flowers, vegetables, or herbs. Plants are living organisms that typically have roots, stems, and leaves. They can be categorized into different types such as flowers, vegetables, herbs, and trees. In this section, we will explore some popular plants that people often grow in their gardens. Flowers are a common choice for many gardeners, as they add beauty and color. Some popular flowers include roses, tulips, and sunflowers. Vegetables are another popular option, as they allow you to grow your own food. Examples of common vegetables are tomatoes, carrots, and lettuce. Herbs are plants used for culinary, medicinal, or aromatic purposes. Some well-known herbs are basil, mint, and rosemary. Lastly, we have trees, which can provide shade and enhance the overall beauty of a garden. Common trees include oak, maple, and pine. To take care of your garden, you'll need some essential tools. Gardening gloves help protect your hands while working with plants. A trowel is a small handheld tool used for digging small holes, planting, and transplanting. A watering can is used to provide water to the plants, especially when rainfall is insufficient. Pruning shears or secateurs are used to trim and shape plants. Additionally, a rake is helpful for clearing debris and leveling the soil. These tools are important for maintaining a healthy and thriving garden. Now that you have a basic understanding of gardening, let's explore some tips to make your gardening experience successful. First, choose the right plants for your climate and soil type. Some plants thrive in specific conditions, so research and select accordingly. Second, ensure your plants receive adequate sunlight and water. Most plants need a good amount of sunlight to grow properly. Third, be patient and consistent in caring for your garden. Regular watering, weeding, and pruning are essential tasks. Fourth, protect your garden from pests and diseases by using natural remedies or organic pest control methods. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your gardening experiences. Every garden is unique, and you'll discover your own tips and tricks along the way. Congratulations! You've learned some basic vocabulary related to gardening, explored popular plants, discovered essential tools, and received tips for successful gardening. We hope this video has inspired you to try gardening as a hobby. Remember, gardening can be a rewarding and relaxing activity that allows you to connect with nature and enjoy the beauty of plants. Happy gardening, and thank you for watching.